Hello and welcome to my review of TD Ameritrade. In front of you, I have the webpage and a few words about TD Ameritrade. They are a U.S. brokerage. Now, they're actually owned by Toronto Dominion, which, as I'm sure the astute of you know, is a Canadian bank, but this is a U.S. subsidiary of that. Plenty of investment products, stocks, options, ETFs, mutual funds, futures, Forex. They offer margin trading, crypto trading, and they even offer managed portfolios. Really, if you're looking for it, you can find it here. There are commission-free trading now, and this is something that's kind of a moving picture at the moment. American brokerages are in a race to the bottom. So we're starting to see more and more commission-free trading, and I do think that's just the way that the industry is going. So at this point, commissions really are starting to disappear. One of the things that I really like about TD Ameritrade is Thinkorswim. It is one of the best platforms out there for retail traders. And all of your trading can be done from the web platform, which is very basic. It's just entry, or Thinkorswim, or mobile trading, which is just a derivative of Thinkorswim. It's one of the most comprehensive platforms out there. In fact, TD Ameritrade actually bought the platform from the company Thinkorswim to bring to their own offices so that their traders can take advantage of this. So it was well tested for years before that became their platform. Now, funding and transfers, you can start in a few minutes. And the same day, if you do an electronic transfer, you can be trading those funds. You can use an electronic bank deposit, wire transfer, check, and then, of course, your securities transfers and physical stock certificates if you have either of those. Spreads and conditions, they're just a pass-through model, as most American brokerages are going to be. Really, the leverage is going to be under the guidance of U.S. regulators. So 4-to-1 in stocks. You have your built-in leverage in options and futures. And, of course, Forex is 50-to-1 on major pairs, 20-to-1 on minors. What I do like is the education as well. Podcasts, curriculum, articles, videos, webcasts, network, in-person events, because they do have physical shops all over the United States. Very, very, very extremely in-depth education. In fact, this is probably one of the greatest features of TD Ameritrade. Minimums. So in order to open up an account, there is no minimum, but you need to put $2,000 in for a margin trading account. That's a U.S. regulator thing. That's not a TD Ameritrade thing. But really pretty remarkable. Zero commissions. And like I said, this is something that everybody's doing. So I think this is going to become the norm on exchange-listed U.S. stocks, of course. Exchange ETFs, domestic and Canadian. And commission is zero for online options trades, with fees only 65 cents per contract instead of the usual base plus 65. So this is getting very cheap very quickly. And as a result, TD Ameritrade, if you're in the United States, this is going to be one of the probably best options that you have. If you're not in the U.S., they do take foreign money as well. But of course that opens up a larger net that you can cast out there, but really one of the best brokerage firms.